If you've heard of Solana, you've heard that it's a really hot blockchain right now. There are so many dApps that are being built on the Solana blockchain right now that are revolutionizing the entire cryptocurrency space. Now, in order to access all of these really awesome protocols that are being built on the Solana blockchain, you do need a very specific wallet that can access the Solana blockchain. And today, I'm going to show you the top wallets that are being built on the Solana blockchain that give you immediate access to all of the amazing dApps that are currently being built on the Solana blockchain. Now, all three of these wallets do have something in common: security and versatility. In my opinion, you cannot sacrifice security for anything. Security should always come first when you're doing any sort of cryptocurrency transaction and when you're considering any sort of crypto wallet to use. So you always want to use a wallet that has audits on file and completely transparent with those audits and has done rigorous audits on their wallet, because again, security is paramount, especially in the cryptocurrency space. You don't want anyone to have access to your funds, and you want to make sure your funds are always safe and your transactions are private. Now, after security is functionality. The reason why functionality is so important is because if you can't do a whole lot with your wallet, then you're not going to be able to get involved in the cryptocurrency space simply because there's not enough functions for you to use your wallet with. You'll have to use a bunch of different dApps to be able to do all the things you want. So being able to have a wallet that does quite a few things inside the wallet, I'm talking staking, transfers, NFTs, all of these sorts of things are necessary for a wallet to be successful, that allow its users to do all of the things that they want to do in the cryptocurrency space. And I think I found the top 3 wallets for the Solana blockchain. So if you've seen any sort of protocol that you wanted to get into on Solana and want to get into the Solana blockchain and start using all the cool dApps that are being built on Solana, then this video is for you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sebastian. I'm a crypto investor and I release daily crypto news videos just like this one to help people in the cryptocurrency space with tips, tricks, and really cool things that are happening in the crypto space that are very exciting. And if you're like me and love everything there is to love about crypto, then subscribe to my channel so that we can get daily videos of the hottest trends and the hottest cryptos that are being released today. You'll be up to date with all the best market news happening around crypto space. Now, right now, one of the top crypto wallets for the Solana blockchain is called Phantom. Now, I really love Phantom simply because the user interface is super clean, super modern, and they also have some really robust security features. In addition to all of that, I own my private keys. I don't want a wallet owning my private keys or having access to my funds in any way. And so with Phantom, there is that transparency that I do own my private keys and they do not have access to my funds in any sort of way at all. And if you want to just sort of look at some of the security features that Phantom offers, you can just go to their website, which is phantom.app, and just take a look at the audits that have already been done on the Phantom wallet. It's pretty extensive stuff. So you can read the independently audited reports. You can see that they never have access to your funds or private keys, and your privacy is respected. And especially for new crypto users, this last one is a really cool feature that they have mechanisms in place so that way you don't accidentally send crypto to, let's say, a non-Solana blockchain. So if you were to try to send something to Ethereum, it'll prompt you, letting you know that the wallet that is receiving the crypto is not going to be able to receive it because it's not the appropriate blockchain. So because the fact that they're taking care of their users in that regard makes it a really special wallet in my opinion, because they have their users' best interest in mind. And you can see that you can use Phantom basically on all the top web browsers. They have Chrome, Brave, Firefox, Edge. So these are pretty much the top browsers that people are using with the crypto space, and you have access to all of that right away. What you can also do with the Phantom wallet is you can store collectibles, NFTs, all kinds of things that really make it a viable, universal type of wallet when you're wanting to do different things on the blockchain. They even actually show you profit and loss on the cryptos on a daily basis, so you can always know what your balance is and what you are every 24 hours. If you're up, if you're down, they give you that really clean dashboard that I just love so much. And you can see simplicity is where it's at. They don't try to make this an overcomplicated wallet. As soon as you make it, receive, send, boom, it's really that easy. And they also give you the added benefit of seeing how much you've been making on a 24-hour basis. Right from the dashboard, you're able to see your profit and loss, which I think is really clean and really adds to the beauty of the UI. And again, just to reiterate, you can see that it's non-custodial, so they never have access to your funds ever. You can even do token swaps on the Phantom wallet, which is really cool because you don't have to even go to an exchange to do swaps. Now you can do swaps within your wallet altogether, which is fascinating. You can see you can store your NFTs and collectibles on the Solana blockchain. And they also offer ledger support. So for all of you who have cold storage for your crypto through Ledger, you can now connect your Ledger to the Phantom wallet to be able to transact and communicate on the Solana blockchain to store, trade, and send your cryptocurrencies from your Ledger wallet. You can also stake your Solana directly through the Phantom wallet. So if you want to earn yield on your Solana and you don't have any other place to put it, why not stake it on the Phantom wallet? Earn yourself some yield while you hodl your Solana. It's a really cool feature that they offer, and they make it really easy for you to get started staking on the Solana network. I will also say that pretty much every protocol that I've seen on the Solana blockchain has Phantom as one of their wallets that they can integrate with. So this wallet is already integrated with all the popular dApps that I can think of on the Solana blockchain, which really make it a universal wallet for people to use when they're wanting to interact and look at all the different protocols that are being built on Solana. So this will engage and connect with all of the popular dApps, making it really easy for you to get started on the Solana blockchain. The next wallet on the Solana blockchain that is really good is called Solflare. If you go to solflare.com, you can check out this really cool wallet. The Solflare Wallet was one of the first movers in the Solana space to create a wallet for users. So in my opinion, it makes it the OG of the Solana space, which is really cool because they were one of the first people to help people access the Solana blockchain through their wallet. You can also see that it's non-custodial, which is very important when you're looking at any sort of cryptocurrency wallet. You want to know that you have access to your keys. The old saying in crypto goes, not your keys, not your coins. So it's very important when you're selecting a wallet that they do have this non-custodial feature because you want access and complete control of your own cryptocurrency. And again, very similar to Phantom, you can store, you can stake, and you can swap cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain directly through Solflare. So it's really cool. It allows you to do everything all within a single dashboard, which is exactly what you want on a cryptocurrency wallet. And you can easily add it to your Chrome browser simply by clicking this button right here. Now let's also take a look at some of the numbers provided by Solflare. You can see that there's already $75.5 million in staked accounts through the Solflare wallet. 24% of circulating Sol is staked through the Solflare wallet, and the total staked via Solflare is about $10 billion. Now that's a lot of cash being staked on Solana through the Solflare network, so it must be a really good wallet for people to be using if there's that much cash being staked through the Solflare. Of course, Solflare is also available on all the protocols that are being built on Solana, which is something you definitely want because like I previously mentioned, if you don't have a wallet that can connect to your favorite protocol, I mean, you're kind of screwed there. So you definitely want a wallet that is accepted by most protocols across the blockchain. And as of right now, they are a web wallet, but they do have mobile app functionality coming very soon. So if you want to be able to use Flare on the mobile app, I would keep a close eye on this to see when they're going to get a release on that mobile app so you can have both a desktop wallet and a mobile app to conveniently access your crypto from anywhere. And finally, just to reiterate one last point on Solflare, you can do in-wallet swaps. It's NFT compatible. Both audio and visual NFTs are usable on the Solflare wallet. And again, it's totally non-custodial. Lastly, Math Wallet. Math Wallet is a really powerful wallet, not just for Solana, but they also have access to over 70 popular blockchains. So just through the Math Wallet, you'll have access to all of these different blockchains right here. And you don't have to worry about adding any sort of networks yourself or doing anything manually. They have it all for you in a convenient location in a single wallet. So you can swap between different blockchains, which makes it a super user-friendly wallet in my opinion. Now, Math Wallet is also available in an app version, so you can get an iPhone app or an Android app of this particular wallet and it's also a desktop wallet in and of itself. So you can access this wallet and all your cryptocurrencies that are on the Solana blockchain through mobile and through desktop, which in my opinion gives it a lot of versatility for people who aren't always using their desktop to access their cryptocurrency. They can just simply open up an app, do any sort of trades that they want, and boom, they're done. So you can transact with your favorite cryptocurrencies anywhere simply by utilizing the Math Wallet functionalities. And again, what makes it super powerful is that in addition to also being a mobile app, they have access to over 70 different blockchains that are already included with the app. So you don't have to do anything yourself. You can just access all of these blockchains instantly from a single app. Now, Math Wallet has also attracted some serious capital towards the development of the wallet. You can see Binance Labs, Alameda Research, and Multicoin Capital are some of the top venture firms in the cryptocurrency space, especially Binance Labs. So if Binance Labs invested money into this particular wallet, you know they did their homework, being that Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So since Binance backed this wallet, it to me just gave it much more credibility to use it as a user, because I know that some of the top money in the crypto space back this particular wallet, back this project, because they're doing something innovative. And to me, I think one of the innovative things that Math Wallet has done is being able to offer all of these different blockchains from a single dashboard. Math Wallet also supports hardware wallets. So if you have a ledger, you can easily connect your Math Wallet towards your ledger and keep your currency in cold storage and being able to transact with it directly from your ledger device. And you don't feel comfortable keeping your cryptocurrency in a wallet through a desktop or even on an app, being able to have a very secure way to store it through a cold wallet, and then having a wallet that can interact directly with your cold wallet just makes it that much better for the user, and overall opens up the doors for so many people to begin using cryptocurrency space from their own comfort zone. So people who are more comfortable keeping their cryptocurrency in hardware but still want access to the Solana blockchain and all the other blockchains, they can do all of that with the Math Wallet, which makes it a very versatile wallet for all cryptocurrency users. So all in all, this is a really powerful wallet. So if you want to be able to access over 70 different blockchains from a single wallet, definitely check out Math Wallet. It's there, backed by some of the best VCs in the world, and has so many functionalities. In addition to a desktop app, it has an extension, it has a mobile app, and it also has integration with the hardware, just making this one of the most versatile wallets on the market today. The Solana blockchain, like I mentioned, is one of the hottest blockchains that is currently running in the crypto space. Now, just imagine being able to use Ethereum when the DAPPs first started coming out, being one of the first people to begin using the DAPPs on Ethereum. You'd have been on a crazy wild ride, but you would have learned so much about Ethereum when it first started getting DAPPs being built on it. So this is giving you an exciting new opportunity to get into a hot blockchain that is incredibly fast, that is super cheap, and you can now access all of the amazing protocols that are leveraging the powerful blockchain called Solana. So now hopefully you can go out there and start using the Solana blockchain and access all your favorite dApps that are being built right now. Solana is just a powerhouse when it comes to blockchain technology. They're extremely cheap and extremely fast to utilize, which is night and day compared to Ethereum right now. So if you're getting in on the ground floor with some of these protocols that are being built because you have access to the Solana blockchain through the wallets we just went over, you'll be able to use a blockchain that, in my opinion, is going to be around for years and years, and you'll be able to access all of these awesome protocols today after this video. So I highly encourage you to check out these wallets, go out there, start using all the dApps you can on the Solana blockchain. The ecosystem is huge. They have a little bit of everything for everyone, and I promise you will not get bored checking out the Solana dApps right now. Now, if there's a wallet that I left out, please leave me a comment below of a wallet that you think is also revolutionizing the way people are engaging with the Solana blockchain. And if you have any questions at all for me, let me know below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.